What's up, guys? Nandito ako sa baba. Welcome to my channel, Prince Gaming. Please subscribe and please subscribe and notification bell. Good luck to watch my video. All video, please. Mag-Mobile Legends tayo, mag-Mobile Legends. Suka, patis. Ang butoy, kasi kalimot na ko. Dito ka putang. Apoy sa nimoy. Magic sarya po. Bitchin. Oo, itong tapay doha. Dito ka pa utang. Ako nito nun. Oh, kalimot ka. Dito ka pa utang.
They formed thick layers at the bottom of lakes and swamps. The plants buried underground were later exposed to high temperatures and
Dito na
pressures
tayo,
and
dito.
eventually turned as hard as stone. That's how coal formed. So coal is mostly found underground. At the Yubari Coal Mine Museum, we can see how coal
Di
was
ko ay sa
mined.
tubig. Tubig to.
Hey,
Katumbog
where
na.
are they going wearing those helmets?
At Yubari, they mined coal down to a depth of more than 1,000 meters. The tunnel was dozens of kilometers long. They used to mine coal right here. Today, coal is no longer mined at Yubari, but in its heyday, there were 24 coal mines and a large labour force.
Why don't they mine coal anymore?
Well, it's a long and complicated story. Coal mining started on a major scale about 200 years ago. Coal was used to power big machines in the growing steel industry.
What big factories they've built! Wow, it's a steam train!
Steam engines, too, were powered by burning coal. The construction of railways throughout Japan brought great changes. People began to enjoy many of the conveniences that we now take for granted, all thanks to coal. In Japan, coal mines opened at Yubari and many other places. In those days, coal provided no less than 80%.
Muna tayo simula. Ano to?
A great many people worked in
Ano pala ito? Sige. Lame natin, lame. Kahit tayo Starlight, hindi ako Starlight.
Free at my house, too.
This used to be Yubari's main street. We spoke to a lady who remembers those days. 40 department stores and 17 cinemas. This is about anything in Dubai. There is no need to go anywhere else.
Hindi akong gusto ng Starlight kasi. Bahala na wala akong Xbox.
Produces an enormous amount of smoke, and smoke contains harmful substances like soot, so it causes serious pollution.
This is awful.
Lots of soot collected in places like this.
That's really bad for people's health.
Nagtilyan na yun.
Although it caused great harm, coal was still used in large quantities.
Magano, mag-rock tayo, mag-rock.
A significant change came about in the world.
Magano tayo, magano. Board ko, yung board ko.
Wow.
Magkano ka ito?
Oil arrived on the stage. Vast amounts of oil were found overseas and soon became available at low cost. Unlike coal, oil is liquid and easy to transport.
Rock tayo, mag-rock.
It can also be used to manufacture plastic and is fuel in cars.
Ano yung pagbigyan? Nakakuha na kayo.
So oil took over from coal and can now be transported. Then, just when the coal industry was starting to decline, something awful happened in Yubari. A disastrous explosion of the coal mine claimed 93 lives. And following on from this, Yubari had a succession of further accidents.
Magano tayo, mag...
In 1985, Yubari's last coal mine closed down.
It's rather big now, isn't it?
Due to the rise of oil as the new energy source, the consumption of coal
Tigger tayo, tigger, tigger.
the once prosperous town of Yubari saw
Magkano ito, magkano?
decline to just 1/10 of its former level.
Yubari was a town of coal mines.
Bilit.
Oil began to replace coal as the world's main energy source. Today, annual global production is approximately 3.5 billion tons.
Look, isn't it beautiful at night?
Oil is so much part of our daily lives, providing heat and power, that we can't really imagine life without it.
We live in the age of oil.
But there are problems with oil too. It also causes pollution when it burns. Another concern is that by using it excessively, we may provoke major changes in the world's climate. It's thought that if we go on consuming oil at the current rate,
Marunong din ako
it will run
mag-funny.
out in about 40 years.
We can't have it forever. So what's happening with coal?
Po, ang balakas
Look at
ng...
this. Even today, this much
Di, baka tayo pa jibar. Babaka ko ba gamay?
Welcome to the legend. The enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
Kung gusto kayo
All troops deployed.
ng skin dyan, subscribe na lang at view my channel. Mag-giveaway ako ng
Magandang hapon po.
diamond at saka
Narito po tayo muli sa ating Beat COVID-19 Virtual Question. Umpisa na po ng General Community Quarantine International Capital at sa iba pang parte ng ating bansa. Alam po namin na ang iba sa inyo ay excited na makalabas. Ngunit nais po namin paalala na mas mahalaga po ngayon ang pagsunod sa ating health protocols at minimum health standards upang makaiwas tayo sa COVID-19. Huwag po natin sayang tayo ng ECQ hanggang tayo ay maging NECQ at ngayon ay nasa GCQ na. Sa malaking bilang ng mga kaso na ating inireport this past few days. Dama po namin ang inyong pagkakata. Bakit tayo nag-decide na mag-transition sa GCQ sa kabila ng malaking bilang ng mga concierge cases natin sa bansa? Nais po namin bigyan. Binago po namin ang paraan ng pag-report ng mga kaso at bigyan ang mga datos na aming itinaflash sa institution. Mahalaga po sa amin na maunawaan niyo ang mga datos na ito upang kayo po mismo ang makakapagsabi kung ang ating mga aksyon at mga measures na itinatutupad ay nakakatulong ba talaga sa pagtugon natin sa pandemya ito. Ilan sa mga pagbabago ng aming implement sa ngayon ay ang paghahati sa kasong inilalabas namin kada araw to reflect ang mga numero ng resulta ay lumabas at nabalibot ng ating epidemiology bureau sa loob ng nakaraang 3 araw. At ang cases apat at higit pang araw ang nakalipas.
Launch attack!
Implementing these changes, we considered not only the experts' advice, but also your suggestions online and on our social media channels. Malaki po ang naitutulong ng inyong feedback upang mas paraan ng aming pag-report at na malinaw at maiintindihan ang mga datos na aming ibinabahagi. Mas matulungan tayo na magpapalawaan ang relevance ng mga data
Launch attack! Turtle resurrecting soon. Your team destroyed a turret.
Tulungan niya po tayo na ang lahat ng mga numero ay ilalabas.
Warrior's duty is to bring victory.
Dr. Choi, good afternoon po.
Request backup.
Dr. Choi? Good afternoon, Dr. Choi.
A brave man never hides in the brush.
Okay.
An
Good
enemy
afternoon,
has
Dr.
been
Choi.
slain.
Tayo ay didadako na dun sa ating mga katanungan, no, para maumpisahan natin ang paliwanag natin sa ating mga kababayan. Ang una natin pag-usapan, Dr. Choi, ay ang fresh versus late cases.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Biyernes ang
Go
breakdown ng
on,
confirmed
sound the
cases
horn of
natin
victory.
ayon sa araw na natanggap ng ating Epidemiology Bureau at na-validate. Ginawa po natin ito dahil sa biglang pagtaas ng bilang ng ating mga nai-report. Pinakita po natin ang confirmed cases na tinatawag ay may dalawang bahagi.
Your team destroyed the turret. Launch attack.
Duty is to bring victory.
Ano po ba talaga itong fresh at late cases na ito? At bakit po ba tayo may late cases? Dr. Choi?
A brave man never hides in the brush.
Enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
malakas talaga ni boss lang tayo ko.
3 days, most recent 3 days. May mga late cases po. Ito naman po yung higit pa sa 3 araw na nakaraan. Ang dahilan po kung dapat yung hinahati ito, categories ng fresh or late yung cases na sa we need to be very
Warrior's duty
na
is to
maayos po
bring
natin
victory.
yung mga data na naglayo sa late cases. Mayroon po kasi yung mga contributing data as I mentioned po nung nakaraan, multiple sources po ang ating pinagagalingan po ating mga information at mga reports. Kaya
Request backup.
sama-sama natin
Our turret has been destroyed.
Gusto ko yun ng skin. kayo sa akin. Libre lang ito, libre. So, subscribe muna kayo at sa my channel. Subscribe kayo sa my channel at viewers. Rate.
Go on. Sound the horn of victory.
Kayo na lang bahala kung masasubscribe ba kamo or hindi.
Siguro natin na ilagay ng tama
Turtle resurrecting quest.
Brave man never
Wala pala akong kills, wala pala niya akong assist. Post lang tayo, post.
Destroy the turret.
slay them all.
Takbo. Takbo.
Enemy has slain the turtle.
Oh, no.
An enemy has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed.
Go on. Sound the horn of victory.
Hindi tayo sa main kasi makakatalo tayo dito. Matatalo. Seryoso muna.
Request backup. Under attack.
Brave man never hides in the bush.
So, problema lang po, meron tayo kasi pagkirapan sa maraming mga laboratories.
Enemy has been slain.
With a lot of specimens na kailangan ng i-process at i-test. So, yun lang po, meron namin na nakapagbigay pa rin ng information. So, pinaparal lang po natin sa kanila na sana po kung na-issue nyo yung pinag-inig sa mga kanilang natin mas maganda ang ating mga nare-report sa araw-araw po na critical public. Yun po, ito po po.
So, pinaliwanag ko ni Dr. Troy what is fresh and what is late case. Pinaliwanag niya rin po yung importansya ng datos at kung gaano talaga kahirap kumuha ng datos. Lalo na dito po sa atin, marami po tayong governance levels na pinagdadaanan ng informasyon bago makarating sa national government. So, Dr. Troy, kung titignan po natin, ngayong araw, meron po tayong case bulletin. And we have new numbers in this case bulletin that we are going to check on our screen. Ano po ba ang implikasyon ng mga ito, Dr. Troy?
A warrior's duty.
Akala ko marunong ito mag-dialogue. Hindi pala ito marunong.
Initiate retreat. Request
nagpapatong-patong po yung bilang ng mga kaso natin. So, isa kong paunawa sa ating mga kapwa-Pilipina, ating mga kababayan, na ating po natin yung marami yan po yung ating kailangan po bigyan ng
slain.
Kaya tayo po dapat ay tulong-tulong dito sa information po na ibibigay natin. Nakikita po natin, mas mga nakarang araw, meron tayong pagmada ng mga kaso.
Destroyed a turret.
Babalik talagang po natin itong mga nakarang araw mula po nung nagsimula tayo ng response sa ganitong paraan ng first basis po. Meron po yung first basis po nakikita po natin
A true hero.
Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Double kill.
Bubo nila ako. Sobrang bubo.
trying to fast track po yung navigation. Yung dati
Lord resurrecting soon.
Sana ako, nag-march man na ako, nag-imi.
habang inaayos natin,
Sobrang bubo ako.
tama po yung mga nabili ibibigay natin. So yung mga nagbibigay po ng opinion o kanilang yung mga kakapakat yung kabilis na nabili ko,
Brave man never hides in the brush.
ating dedication message po sa ating mga
Request
kaya
backup.
na po yung ating epidemiologist na kami po focus natin. Tinutulong sila para ma-impact yung mga
Request backup.
Go on. Sound the horn of victory.
Our turret is under attack.
Pinapakita po namin sa inyo ang
Warrior's duty is to
Enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat.
slay them all.
Initiate retreat. An enemy has been slain. Enemy rampage.
Brave man never hides in the brush.
Request backup. Shut down. Killing spree. An enemy has been slain. Attack. Wiped out.
Lord tayo.
Pinakita po natin yung training terms natin. Pero ating mga ginagawa na pag-ayos po na kasi systemic sa dito sa ating information system.
Bubo nila ako.
Sound the horn of victory.
Initiate retreat.
Kaya ano po yung ating mga magiging
Request backup. Ally has been slain. Mega kill.
Dito tayo sa bottom.
A warrior's duty is to bring victory. Brave man. A warrior's duty is to bring victory.
Post tayo, post.
Go on. Sound the horn of victory.
Klarong picture. Sa latest test, gusto ko lang pong explain na nitong 123 tayo
A true hero has come to help.
from the ongoing aggressive data reconciliation cases by the Epidemiology Bureau and the
Mega kill.
ito yung araw-araw report na sinabit mo today pero 4 days na pala ang deadline.
Brave man never hides.
When all of our laboratories submit consistently their daily reports and they use the COVID Kaya
Nagpapalag sila sa akin, hindi ako papalag.
Has come to help.
Hindi. Takbo.
and the WA.
Dito yung
We
wala.
are then urging our laboratories to provide the Filipino people
Marami sila, marami.
Sana po ay nalinawan din natin ang mga manonood natin kung ano ang relevant o importante na pagkakataon ng ating reporting. Nawa po ay nabawasan ang karamba ng ating mga kababayan.
Slay them all!
Our turret is under attack. Shut down. Enemy has slain. Shut down.
Ang bubo nila. Oh.
Siyensya
Go on! Sound the horn of victory!
desisyon at sa pagpili ng ating mga. Kaya naman po ito sa palagi natin naririnig sa tuwing pinag-uusapan po ang COVID-19 dito. Ito po ay ang case fatality rate, case doubling time, at critical hospitalization rate na sinasabi natin mas epektibong sukatan.
Slay them all!
Kung gumaganda o lumalala na ba ang pandemic situation.
Our turret is under attack.
Dr. Choi, simulan po natin ulit ang tanungan.
Our turret has been destroyed.
This shows that COVID-19
Our
deaths by
turret is
date of
under
death
attack.
and not the date of report
Our turret has been destroyed.
to May 13. Pwede niyo po ba
Our turret is attacked.
ito ng palagay sa ating screen?
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Slay them all!
An enemy has been slain.
Go on! Sound the
Panalo
horn
ito, panalo. Bawin. Pag meron ako...
An enemy has been slain.
Close na sila ako.
Request backup.
Dito tayo.
Request backup.
has come down.
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Slay them all!
Request backup.
Go on! Sound the horn of victory!
Request backup. Request backup. An ally has been slain.
Slay them all!
You have slain an enemy. An enemy has been slain.
A brave man never hides the heart.
Ally has been slain.
Go on! Sound the horn of victory!
An ally has been slain.
Ano palag? Palag ka ba?
A brave man never hides.
Resurrect me soon.
Or the decreasing number of cases.
A true hero has come down.
Naman tayo dahil sa pag-ibig. So, ang nagbigay na rin ng konting po ng Fury Volto.
Dito man. Dito ang ulak.
Launch attack!
Slay them all! A true hero has come down. Go on, sound the horn of victory.
Enemy has been slain. Enemy killed. An enemy has been slain.
A warrior's duty is to bring victory.
O bobo mo. O bobo mo. Bobo mo talaga. Ito pala tanga.
Slay them all! Go on, sound the horn of victory.
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Warrior's duty is to bring victory. A true hero has come down.
Patin mo yan. Bobo. Lisley bobo.
Masasabi rin po natin na magandang indikasyon po mababa ang critical care utilization rate. Dahil ibig sabihin po nito o nagagamit lahat ng mga ICU beds at ventilators. Magandang ating health system at kung kakailanganin pa po natin ng facilities, meron pa rin po tayong nakahanda na maaari nating gamitin
Initiate
anumang
retreat.
oras. Dr. Chen, napakarami po ng aming natutunan sa inyo ngayon. Sigurado po kami na ang ating mga manonood ay na-appreciate ang pagpapaliwanag niyo sa amin ngayong araw. Pero lubos-lubosin na po natin, Dr. Choi. Antay ka lang dyan. Meron pa po tayong pag-uusapan maya-maya. Available po araw-araw sa ating official DOH FB page.
Sound the horn of victory.
Na naglalaman ng maraming mga mahalagang impormasyon.
Request backup.
Number of COVID-19 patients na inaalagaan natin sa loob ng mga ospital sa mga ligtas COVID centers, hindi ang kanilang estado ang
A warrior's duty is to bring victory.
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Bobo.
Initiate retreat.
Sound the horn of victory.
Kill. Request backup. Request backup. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Bagan ka. Bagan ka.
An enemy has been slain.
Idea kung ilan ang dapat na nasa quarantine
Launch attack.
mas nangangailangan ng medical assistance o pagpapa-ospital. Nakikita din po at mapapansin ang dami ng recovered patients kumpara sa mga nasawi. Dito makikita na ang panawagan natin sa manatili sa loob ng bahay habang may banta ang COVID-19 at habang wala pang
Request backup.
epektibo sapagkat
Request backup.
aware at nag-iingat upang hindi Ngayon naman po ipapakita natin ang
Never hides
dito
Shut
ito
down.
meron pong downward trend sa ating cases per day. Sa graph na ito, makikita kung sino nga na talaga nagkasakit ang isang pasyente. At napapansin naman po natin na sa mga nakaraang araw, bagamat marami na report na late cases, kakaunti lang po ang may tuturing na bagong kaso ng COVID-19. So, Dr. Troy,
Mega kill.
explain
Your team destroyed a turret.
enough the date of report ang ginagamit Dr. Troy?
An ally has been shut down. Enemy immediate.
Natin kasi yung sa nakaraan, minsan na ipapakita ko natin yung nakita yung kailangan nila. Yung data sa tracing, explain na kanila parang lang sila kung gaano yung sila nakapagpapit at kung kanila yung nagkaano yung dito yung report nila. Then, ito ang makikita sa kapag kung gaano kapag natin yung sa ating mga validation process, yung sa ating pag-aayos sa ating traffic
Lord resurrecting soon.
is to bring victory.
ang fecha o araw kung kailan magkakaroon ng infection. Yung kasama kong tutok ang infection.
A true hero has come to help.
Request backup.
Tapos kung ito, medyo may isang pataas, pababa, pataas, pababa. Tapos, hindi ko sila abuli at ito lalo. Yung mga nakita ko mga spikes ko ng mga kaso. So, dito po, nakikita natin kung saan umalik na yung mga ibang kaso.
Baka mamaya ko kayo dyan. Sana. Sana.
Warrior's mission is to bring victory. Go on, sound the horn of victory. A true hero has come to help.
Enemy has slain Lord.
Ay, sa sigmuk. Ayaw sa sigmuk, Bob.
System capacity.
Uy, ano.
Kailangan ba ng ating system? Ang dami naman kailangan
A brave man never hides in a brush.
makikita natin sa ating laboratory PM lamang. Kabilang natin na isang licensed laboratories na gumagawa ng RT-PCR testing at meron na rin po tayong 11 na licensed being expert laboratory. Marami rin po mga laboratory na nasa stage 3 at stage 4 na upang maging isang licensed laboratory. Ang mga ito ay isang nagpoproseso ng mga swab na kinukuha naman ng mga swabbing and testing centers natin. Bago po tayo magpatuloy, Dr. Joy, kailangan din natin pag-usapan ang bilang ng mga positive individuals
Has been slain.
A brave man never hides in a duty is to bring victory.
Enemy has been slain. Our base is under attack. Killing spree.
Slay them all!
May kuha si May. Ice blast.
Warrior's duty is to bring victory.
Launch attack. Request backup.
Wow. Lako. Di bantay ang tindahan. Hindi na
Brave
to.
man never hides in the brush.
Mega kill.
Yours done. Yanin.
Slay them all!
Ano kami? Talo or mananalo?
Request backup.
Push kami. Push.
Ally has been slain. Unstoppable. Shut down.
A warrior's duty is to bring victory. Go on, sound the horn of victory.
Enemy has been slain.
Yes, Dr. Choi, so ganyan po.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Ibig sabihin po ba na hindi natin dapat
Launch attack.
ang kaibahan ng mga numero ito kung kailan nga ba ang backlog natin sa bilang ng mga kaso na babae.
Man never hides.
Has been slain. Launch attack.
Sound the horn of
Your team destroyed a turret. Request backup. Ally has been slain. Launch attack.
Bubo.
Launch attack. Launch
A brave man never hides in the brush. Go on, sound the horn.
Okay, so kung gano'n ang Dr. Choi, maaari ba nating sabihin
Nananalo kami.
sa sinasabi nating
Nananalo
diferensya ng
kami.
numero
Nananalo
tungkol naman sa
kami.
pag-validate ng mga kaso?
Tapos na tayo. Tapos.
Dr. Choi?
Yes,